Managing an Absa Bank current account requires a thorough understanding of the account's features and how to utilize them effectively. To start, it is essential to understand the basics of a current account, which is a type of checking account that allows you to manage your daily transactions. First, you need to open an Absa Bank current account, which can be done by visiting any Absa branch or applying online. You will be required to provide the necessary documentation, such as proof of identity and address. Once your account is open, you will receive a debit card, which can be used to withdraw cash, make purchases, and pay bills. You can also set up a mobile banking app to manage your account remotely. To manage your account effectively, you need to monitor your account activity regularly. You can do this by checking your account statement, which is sent to you monthly, or by using the mobile banking app to view your transaction history. It is also crucial to keep your account details up to date, including your address and contact information. You can update your details by visiting an Absa branch or by using the mobile banking app. Another key aspect of managing your Absa Bank current account is managing your account balance. You need to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover your transactions. You can do this by setting up a budget and tracking your expenses. Additionally, you can set up account alerts to notify you when your account balance falls below a certain threshold. This will help you to avoid overdrafts and associated fees. In terms of security, it is essential to keep your account and debit card details secure. You should never share your PIN or account details with anyone, and you should report any suspicious activity to Absa immediately. Finally, it is recommended that you take advantage of Absa's additional services, such as overdraft facilities and credit cards, which can provide you with extra financial flexibility. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your Absa Bank current account and make the most of its features and benefits. Remember to always keep your account details up to date, monitor your account activity, and keep your account and debit card details secure.